it's sort of like the space is sort of an international community. We work with people like the instruments. We have a weather station instrument, the REMS on the rover. That's a Spanish instrument. We have the ChemCam, which is the laser. We have a laser zapper that is a French. So it's very much an international endeavor. Sort of, we are representatives from planet Earth.
Right. Okay, that's a great answer. All right, one more we got over here. Go for it.
Thanks for getting my question in, first of all. I was just wondering what the specific difficulties are with...
I'm losing you. Hold on. Static there. Okay, go one more time.
Okay, how about now? Great. Okay. I was just wondering what the specific difficulties are with launching probes on Mars as opposed to other planets. For example, Cassini, I know it's not a rover, it's just a probe. But what are the specific difficulties with rovers or probes on Mars as opposed to, other planets?
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm kind of losing it there. Can you eat the mic? Like really? I can't quite hear everything. There was a more technical question than we've got. Say it one more time.
Okay, I'm going to really speak up now.
All right.
What are the specific difficulties when it comes to launching rovers or probes on Mars as opposed to other planets like Saturn? Because in 77, Cassini was launched, and it's now orbiting Saturn, right? So what are the specific difficulties that it comes to when it comes to launching probes or rovers on Mars as opposed to other planets?
So she's saying, what are the specific difficulties launching probes or rovers on Mars as compared to other celestial bodies, like say the moon, or if you launch one to Saturn, anything like that? Like what were the specific difficulties related to Mars?
Right. I think the specific challenges when it comes to Mars are, the atmosphere is quite thin. And so when the atmosphere is really thin, we call it 7 minutes of terror, which is how much time you have when the spacecraft, that is the cruise stage, hits the other side of the space, out of the atmosphere, and by the time you have to get to the surface. And also that makes it a problem to have things like Mars airplanes because, the density of the air is so low. The other challenges are that the temperature variations are quite great on Mars. And so you have to design things so that they will last these temperature extremes. Also, the sand, everything is dusty. So the first rovers we sent, Spirit and Opportunity, had solar panels. And part of the reason that they were supposed to last 90 days was because they were just going to get covered with dust and you weren't going to get any more sun. Of course, now they've lost one, Opportunity is going 10 years into a 90-day mission. But those are the challenges of getting to Mars. Is part of it is it's just its location, and the atmosphere makes it more challenging, and the temperatures, and also the fact that so I mean, it's actually easier than some of the other planets. I think it'll be more challenging, actually, to get to the moons of Jupiter and Saturn.
Okay, great. Well, everyone, that's all the time we have. Thank you so much, Dr. Vandi Verma Tompkins. Awesome to talk with you. What's it? Oh, we're going to show you the crowd here so you can get a good
Great,
look.
thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. Wave to her, Comic-Con.
Bye.
Thank you so much for taking the time with us. All right, bye-bye. All right, give us a couple minutes to kind of set the stage up. Someone lost a key. We've got West Coast Choppers. We got any West Coast Choppers in the house? West Coast Choppers. It's actually for an Enfield. It's for a Royal Enfield. I'll take it. I've always wanted to drive one. Never have. All right, it's going to be up here at the front. For real, anyone who's missing their motorcycle key, it's got this West Coast Choppers key ring up here at the front. We'll have it for you on the right side of the stage.